Looking to sell some of your stocks held with Fidelity? Whether you're taking profits or rebalancing your portfolio, selling stocks is a common investment action. In this guide, I'll show you how to sell stock through your Fidelity account. To sell stock, log into your Fidelity account online or use the Fidelity mobile app. Navigate to the specific account where you hold the stock you wish to sell, e.g., brokerage or retirement account. Look for the Trade or Transact section within that account. You'll then select Sell and choose the stock you want to sell from your holdings. You'll specify the number of shares and the order type, e.g., market order, limit order. Finally, review the order details carefully before submitting. Once submitted, your order will be placed, and if it executes, the proceeds will be available in your account typically within 2 business days, T+2 for withdrawal or reinvestment. And there you have it. Selling Fidelity stock is a straightforward process. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.